To the right of the regular search box is the advanced search option. Clicking on it will bring up your initial query in this one, but then it also lets you choose to search the San Jose collections, the California State University collections, or just straight articles. Now, next to your search box, you'll see some new options. Any field. Now, choosing one of these will select one of these fields with its ISBN, ISN, OCLC, location, and let you search your term only in that field. Now, you can add additional fields and additional options, like say you want to search for something else in combination with the original search. And you can add up to as many lines as you'd like here. Well, not go too crazy with them, or will confuse it. Now, to the right of that, you have material type. And you can choose if you'd like it articles, audiovisual, books, conference proceedings, any of these ones. Just click on them, and I'll search them up for you. So say we're going to search in articles. And then we do publication date. Now for publication date, you can choose a specific date. And then if you're just in a hurry and want the last, last year, last 22 years, last 5 years, last 20 years, there's also one of those options. Let's go to the last 20 years because it's a little specific search. Now when you're ready to do that, you click the search bar. Okay, and see what comes up. Ooh, an article on dinosaurs.